welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. Guys, this video is 2 years ago video. Yes, I was still practicing how to do editing, how to position camera, I was still learning a lot of product. Guys, though I still try my best, I say let me share it to my new subscribers, and if you are watching from Facebook, my new followers on Facebook. Guys, this video you see here now 2 years ago video. I know some people will ask me, what is the name of that product on her face? What is this? What is this? Anything you see here, they are not recent. It's not recent video. And my camera there, I don't know how to position my camera proper. Okay, just enjoy the video. Thank you. See you on my next video. Check out my YouTube channel and my Facebook. We are still learning, but we have the new updates, new products, new how we apply makeup. We have new update too. Thank you. Contact me for your events. We are into makeup. We tie gele. We do traditional bridal hair, the okuku. We sell makeup products. We sell oil perfume. We do photo shoot. We are many in one beauty. My number is there. Yes, thank you guys. We do photo shoot as well. I've mentioned it before, I don't know. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.